Hey guys, today we have another great product to review. We have some soft video lights.
Some softboxes, video lighting for our home studio. Go ahead, Annalisa, unbox that. Carefully. We get a case. Pull it out. Good job. ESDDI, we've seen that name before. They make lots of great photography products. Go ahead and unzip that bag. Nice looking carrying case. And looks like each light stand has its own little case, which is good. I believe those are the bulbs. And what's that? Oh, those are the stands. The others are the soft boxes. I see you got an instruction manual. There you go. Get that carrying case out of the way. And go ahead and start unboxing that. Let's see what we got. Always looking for ways to improve our videos, whether it's lighting, audio, or video itself. One light stand. And there's a second one. Be careful with that. Whatever you do, don't drop that. That's the bulb. Go ahead and open up a soft box. Alright, I see a box and a cover. Diffusion cover. Yeah, we're going to need that. Just tear it out of the plastic. Do you remember how to put a softbox together?
Yeah.
Here, put the light bulb aside for a second. Go ahead and open the softbox. Snap it together. There you go. If you can, set that on the floor for right now. With the cord, go ahead and do the other one and face the other one this way so we can see what the inside looks like as you're snapping it together. Turn it this way, there you go. And plastic off. And there's a centerpiece in there, just press that down firmly, and that locks the soft box into place. Now it's got a nice reflective cover. Awesome, and the bulb goes right in there. If you can, go ahead and pull the legs apart from the bottom. Make sure it's unscrewed.
Wait.
Just pull those out. There you go. The top, unscrew that. Right there, right there.
What?
Up here. This? There you go. That'll make it easier.
Like that?
Yep. Okay, put the legs out just a little more. Alright. Very good. Now listen, we're going to have to move this table. We'll set up the light boxes and demonstrate them. We'll be right back. Alright, Annalisa. Got the table out of the way. We're going to go ahead and set up these lights. Go ahead and first raise them up.
How? Oh.
Yeah, just turn them to the left. Counterclockwise, that will loosen each section. There you go.
Do I need to do the bottom?
Yeah, no, bottom's fine. Is there one more section at the top? Just raise it just a little. Right, that's okay. Right there's good. We won't raise this to the full length. Don't. You're loosening it more. There you go. All right. Go ahead and do the other one. All right, move them apart just a little bit, and let me hand you one of the soft boxes. That girl. Real easy. It just screws right into the top, and you get the other one right there. All right. I am going to hand you a bulb for each soft box. There you go. Now you're going to turn that to the right. Make sure it's in good. Make sure it's in. Is it tight? All right. It's held in place by Velcro. Real easy. Just slips right on. And the other one. All right, here, move that light just a little bit over here. There we go. Got both lights ready now. Go ahead and hit the power switch.
Where is it? Oh.
It's right on the. There you go. There's one, and there's two. The two SD light boxes are now on. Now what we're going to do is shut off all the studio lights, and we're going to light up Annalise with just the SD softboxes. We'll be right back. Okay, we have shut off the studio lights. Now Annalise is being lit with the SD softboxes. Nice, soft, even lighting. Great for your vlogs, your YouTube videos. Everyone who does video on YouTube needs a couple of softboxes. I think they work better than a ring light. So anyway, we'll put a link in the description below where you may purchase these SD softboxes on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.